Hello everybody, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a affinity diagram. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of understanding. It got the following characteristics. It is also known as KG method. This diagram is used for organized ideas that a group has been working on about a complex problem that exists in a specific area. People who work on develop this type of diagram must be experts in their field and know more than anything about the topic that is being worked. It is used to be understand complex problems that have a lot of data. It was used more than anything to organize a large amount of information previously collected. The diagram has a theme or main idea as an axis that you want to talk and understand the cause and effects, impact in a project, and how can be improved or fixed. This tool is used in the definition or ideation stages in a project that is being worked with the design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology. Okay, so when we are working on an affinity diagram or a KG method, the first thing that we do is the ideation. The ideation is its focus on fixing or understanding a situation. So what you do with that is that you brainstorm. If you don't know how to do a brainstorming, please check our channel because here we got the tutorial to know how to make a specific brainstorming. That is very important. So when you do that, you have a lot of ideas and these ideas are shuffled. So the thing that you do here and the main idea of the KG method and the affinity diagram is that you start to sort out and analyze all the information. How do you do that? The first thing is that the name of the tool is affinity. So you have to start organizing all the previous ideas that you develop in your brainstorming and you start to organizing and also focus in different kind of specific idea. The idea here is that you understand the causes of a problem. It's very important to understand that the KG method will not fix completely the situation, but will give you a bigger understanding of what's going on. So after you organize, you start analyzing because you still have a lot of information. This tool, you only have to use it when there is a big complex situation and you have a lot of information. If it's a simple situation, you don't need this tool. So that's very important to understand and keep in mind. So after you analyze your information and you organize everything, you have two ideas. You can develop an insight and develop a route to figure it out and understand better your problem. However, if the situation is still very complex and you don't know what to do, you can use another tool. The Ishikawa diagram, it's a tool that can allow you to work in a better situation and solve the current situation. So that is very important. So it's important to know that this tool allows you to organize and understand all the situation. Specifically, the main thing is that you know the causes of the problem. The team that is working with this, it has to be very experts, older members in the situation, because if you don't have a big preparation, you will not understand what's going on in here. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of the affinity diagram, you must have a greater understanding of the problem that is working, but also, if it's possible, solutions or alternatives. There is a big possibility that with this tool, you will not fix all the situation, but you will have a better and bigger understanding and you will have a clear idea of what's going on. You don't necessarily have to have an insight or a solution. Fits the possibility that more information is needed and depend of solution for that is recommend using ideation cards that it's also another tool that can allow you to figure it out this problem, or as I told you before, the Ishikawa diagram. Thank you very much. I hope this tool help you to figure it out and solve all the situation that you are working on. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 channel in design thinking and agile methodologies in the whole YouTube universe. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.